Hello, girls and boys. It is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach, and I am super excited because we are talking about multiplication, right? Third grade, new concept. You've been hearing about it. What is this multiplication and division? Well, now we're doing it. Super awesome, exciting. So let's dive right in, shall we? So multiplication is really awesome for solving certain types of problems, because it helps you to do it faster, so which means more efficiently, and also with accuracy. Okay, so let's take a look. Susan says in their word problem, Susan's family went apple picking. So when you read a word problem, you want to visualize. Okay, visualize is a big word which you may hear in reading class. It means to get a picture in your head, or like a movie of what's happening. So Susan, we don't know who Susan is, but there's a girl named Susan, or maybe it's a woman, and she went with her family apple picking. If you've never been apple picking, it's basically you go and there's a bunch of apple trees and you pick apples and you put them in bags. Okay, I went last weekend. It's fun. So she's going with her family, and it says, they filled 3 bags, so you can visualize a bag, 3 bags, with 10 apples in each bag. So you want to think about that. There's 3 bags, and there's 10 apples in each bag. Now sometimes what we do to help us visualize is we draw a picture, okay, to help us solve the problem. We don't even know what we're trying to figure out, though. The question is, how many apples did Susan and her family pick? All right, how many did they pick? Be good to know, right? Okay, so let's do a little drawing here. I'm gonna draw some bags. Now, how many bags should I draw? Well, it says there are 3 bags. So I'm gonna draw 1 bag, 2 bags. I'm gonna draw rectangles for bags, 3 bags. Okay. And there are 10 apples in each bag. So I'm going to do this. Now, if you have 2 different color markers, that would be fantastic. Oh, and I forgot to say, obviously, take out your math packet, okay? And make sure your name is on it. I'll write my name on it. Mr. McAndrew. Okay? And anything that I write down, you should also write down. Okay? If I go too fast, the benefit of the video is just pause the video, okay, catch up. If I said something that seemed confusing, you can always rewind and then keep playing it, okay? We'll be together all week working on multiplication, so let's have some fun. So let's see, there's 10 apples in each bag. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I've got 10 apples in each bag. So I have 10 apples here, 10 apples here, and 10 apples here. So the question is, how many apples did Susan and her family pick? They were pretty busy. So if we add 10 plus 10 plus 10, we get, let's see, 10, 20, 30. So I'm going to say this a lot this week, boys and girls and boys, but skip counting is really helpful for solving multiplication, because you can do 10, 20, 30, right? We could do this. We could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I'm so tired. We don't want to do that. All right, so let's make it a little bit more efficient, okay? Efficient means a little bit faster and still very accurate. So what does our number sentence look like? Well, we have 3 groups or bags. Okay, these are the bags. So 3 groups of, we had 10 apples. So 3 groups of 10, 1, 2, 3 groups of 10 is the same as we got 30. Okay? So our multiplication sentence is simply 3 times 10 equals 30. Okay, but this is our picture of it, and this is our word problem. Okay? So, so let's go to the next one. So turn your page, please. Okay, looks like my apples went through to the other side. That's okay. So read this word problem, and I want you, okay, to solve this. So let me actually read it with you, and then I want you to draw a picture the same way that I did it here, okay, of apples and bags. So it says Brian, read along with me please, and his family went apple picking. So I got a kid named Brian. He's about your age. He's got black hair, and he's going apple picking with his father and his sister, okay, and his grandmother. They filled 4 bags with 5 apples in each bag. So you're going to need to draw 4 bags and put 5 apples in each bag, and then figure out how many apples did they pick. Okay, and then down here you want to do the same thing that I did. How many groups of apples? Okay, so you've got how many bags of apples is the same as, and then find out what the answer is. Okay, and then your multiplication sentence. All right? Okay, so don't do that yet, or if you want to do it now, pause it and then come back, because I'm going to show you one more thing. If you turn the page, okay, so either you're pausing the video and finishing that word problem, or you're going to go back to it at the end, okay? So I do want you to turn to this page right now. It says Monday practice, and it says draw sets, rectangles and circles, to help you solve the multiplication equations below. So it might be an equation, it might be a picture. Okay, I should have said that. The first one is done with Mr. McAndrew in the video. Well, I'm Mr. McAndrew, and this is the video, so let's do it. Okay, so we have something is the same as 6 times 3, which is the same as 6 groups of 3. So I'm still going to think, okay, I'm still going to think about bags and apples. So I'm going to have 6 groups, 6 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this time I have a lot more bags, but I don't have as many apples. You could think of this as 6 bags of candy. You could think of it as 6 baskets of fruit, or 6, that's what we're doing. We could do 6 like bags of video games, 6, I mean, whatever you feel like thinking of it, but we want to draw 6 groups, and we want to put 3 in each group. So we want to put 3 in each group. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, so we have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, and what does that give us? So you need to figure that out and write down the answer here. Okay, for this one, we have a picture already. You don't have to draw a picture, but you have to fill in this part. So I'm going to show you what it would look like. I know that there are 1, 2, 3 groups. And there are 1, 2, so I'm going to put 3 groups here. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 in each group. So 3 times 6, or 3 groups of 6, is equal to what? Okay, I have 6, 6, and 6. So 6 plus 6 plus 6. I know that 6 plus 6 is 12. So this is 12. Plus 6 more gives me, let's see, 12 plus 6, 12, 11, sorry, 12, what am I doing, 11? 12, Mr. McAndrew, silly man. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I added 6 and I got 18. So I know that 3 times 6 is equal to 18. And here's my picture of it. Okay? All right. So you want to finish this one, and there are a few more on the next page, okay, for you to do and complete and show your teacher. All right, boys and girls, multiplication is amazing. So are you. Do a great job. Put in some good effort, and I will see you soon. All right. Bye-bye.